Hello, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share a Skype link on Google Classroom so that the students can be able to click and join your meeting, your live meeting or class via Skype. So you can do this by sharing a link direct to Google Classroom using Skype. So first you need to place this blue like pen here, so I click here, then you just click meet now. So if you want to get a shareable link, just click meet now. That's the simplest way to invite people to join your meeting. So I can click here. Once I click there, so I've turned off the camera here, I've turned off. So I can here, because I want to share this link on Google Classrooms, so I can place here share invite. So I'll press here share invite. Once I press that share invite, it will give me options where I want to share this link. So I want to share on Google Classroom. So I will click here Google Classroom. So Google Classroom. So you need to put it as an announcement. So I will click here and make an announcement. Then I will put join the live meeting tomorrow. So you see the link is already created here. So once you share, so the link will be created automatically. As you can see here, down here, the Skype link already generated here. So you can decide here whether to post right now or just to schedule so that it can go live maybe tomorrow or next week or whatever. So if you want to schedule this meeting or schedule this meeting, you will click here schedule or schedule. If you want to put in or to save this link on draft as a draft, you can do that. But also if you want to post right now, you can just post. For example, I want to post right now, so I can click here. See, so I've already shared. That's how we can share the Skype link on Google Classroom. Here I've logged in now as a student. Now how the students are going to see this link? Here is how the students are going to see the link. So if they decide to click this link, they'll join direct the meeting. So they can click the link, then they can join direct the meeting using a browser or the installed Skype